flagship video was yesterday. We were expecting a Crackles. We have him. So this is one of the most exciting builds like I have, because this guy, like, some people actually, most people don't even have, because some people don't even go to the grand opening. There's like 5 million Spirit fans, and only 4,000 people went to the grand opening. So this is one of the only Crackles in the world. Although, like, there's probably maybe 25 out there. This is one of them. So, yeah, let's just get to unboxing this thing. What? Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna come over here. Wait, let me tip the box over quickly. Oh my god. Emily's helping me a lot. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Let's put this guy to the side. So, we got the arm pole right here. So, okay. So we got the arm with a little connector. I think this is to attach to hand, and this is to attach to the arm. Wait, no, to over here. So, yeah, shoulder. Same thing with this. Same arm. These are leg foams, or whatever you call them. They're like things to put over the legs. So these are like things to put over the legs, like to make them thick, so they're not just very skinny legs. Okay. Another one of those. Got his hand. This is actually the size of my hand, which is very small which looks like a clown that's an adult. So, like, look at this. Well, the good thing is, this is kind of bigger than my hand, so it's pretty. I'm actually, Spirit, if you're watching this video, you kind of messed up over here, but whatever. Put that hand here. So, we got the rib cage. Okay, yeah. We got the rib cage. Oh god. Did you see that? It literally got stuck to my shirt. Okay, I can't pull out that. We got the shoe. This place is a... Oh, what the...
What's that?
I don't know what that is. We do not need that. That's not... It's just cardboard. Look at this shoe. By the way, we have not done an unboxing in a long time. Well, monkey business kind of, but not like really from Spirit, because that one was from last year. Like, look at this shoe. This is one of the most detailed shoes I ever saw. Okay, we're gonna put that. By the way, after we unbox everything, we're gonna lay out this. We're gonna pause and just lay out this for you guys. So, another shoe. I might need my dad for a little bit. Like, the clothing. You got some nice clothes. Hopefully that doesn't shade out in the sun. Oh my god, his head is massive. We got adapter. Do you see how big this adapter is? Like, why would you even need that? Oh right, yeah, this animatronic. Wait, let me show you guys. So, I know. Outdoor rated design. So this guy is outdoor rated. We will not need to put garbage bags on him. Oh, we got some poles. Let me just open this up quickly on our couch. By the way, I hope you know that this is actually our basement. Our living room is upstairs. Okay, so these are the poles right here. I believe, yeah, these are the leg poles actually.
Where's the base?
Yeah, look, guys. See? That's the poles.
Oh, that's the base.
Yeah. I think this is a double-sided base, actually. I'm just saying. Let me put this over here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, wait. I don't think any YouTuber does that when they put it there. Dun dun dun. Okay. I'm actually gonna pull out the head. I'm not gonna be showing you guys, okay? I'm just gonna put it here, even for myself. My sister probably saw it, but close that. I can't not see that. Okay. Got the instructions, and I think the rest my dad needs to do.
Nothing else you put?
No, because there's like strips. So
You open the instructions, I'll cut the strips.
I'm like, you don't know how to do that though. Okay, guys, my dad is here to cut the strips. Ooh, that's a big base. Wait, let's see if the mechanism is greasy. No, it's not. Wait, no, where even is the mechanism? I guess it's attached.
Alright, take the handle.
Dad, can you take the stuff off from that? Look.
Yeah, I don't even take that out.
What?
You need to take it out.
Oh, guys! Look what I just found. It's a hand. Wait, where in the world did the other hand? Oh, there. And I think I can take out this base. Yes, I can. Look at this gigantic base. This is a big base. This is a big boy. Guys, if you didn't see the Freddy box, it's literally bigger than me. It's 5 feet tall. I'm like 4 feet. So.
It's not velvet. It's not the little
Okay.
Wow, you have big muscles. You are a big boy. You are a big boy.
Okay, guys, this is a lot of instruction, but I'm actually gonna be. Okay, guys, the moment you have all been waiting for. But first, I'm not gonna show you guys the head. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna look at the head. Oh my
Look at big boy.
God!
Look at big boy.
Look at his head. I'm gonna quickly take off all the tape on his head.
Oh, I want to take off the tape. What, are there only 2 tapes?
No, there's one here. Okay.
Is there one for the teeth?
No, I already got that one off.
Oh.
I'm like, let me do that one. Okay. Oh, you did it.
I did it.
Okay.
Here. There's one right here.
No, that's not a piece of tape.
I thought that was a piece of tape.
Yeah, so you cannot open this guy.
I want to see what's in it.
I'm doing his hair, guys.
His hairdo.
Guys,
It looks
yeah,
like he got blue.
I'm gonna cut until the hair's ready. See, guys, I think we're good. So, guys, this is the hairdo. Tell me in the comments if you like it. Yeah, so let's get started building this, I guess. Okay, so guys, you got the feet in. I don't know if it's supposed to go like that. Okay, got the B pole. Wait, are these both B poles? If they're both B poles, it's not gonna matter. So that's 1C. Alright, you can see what. Oh, wait, so that means it's like this. Okay, I understand now. Okay, good. Got the second pole. That. Hey, which way? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're gonna put that. Okay, let me try to get that in. Okay. Now we're gonna snap lock that in. Secured. Not fully, but whatever. So let me see. Nope. Got the leg poles. You need to be very careful not to rip this. Because I don't know what that's for.
To the knee. Turn around. Yeah, I think so. What does it say? Can I see the instructions?
It just says put it over. We actually don't have that much for this animatronic. This guy's a good boy. Okay, that's kind of weird. Nope. Okay, so I think it should be like that. Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, we need to open the poll thing. All right, pants on. I can say the word pants. Wow. Wait till Oh, we got it. Okay, wait, maybe we don't got it. Oh my god, guys, this is so hard. But I got it. Okay, let's unfold. My dad helped me a little bit with the legs because it's actually pretty hard, so I think that's good. Whoa, wait, let me check the instructions.
But you need help, that's a heavy piece.
Yeah.
Now, one at a time, do the pinchers. Where are the holes?
On this side.
Oh, it's over here. Gotcha.
This one's kind of like stuck.
Yeah, because it's so good we did the yellow first.
This is a difficult animatronic, guys. It's pretty. Yeah, it's hard, right? That one's hard.
Of course.
I don't know. I didn't know it got stuck like that. If you did that. Oh wait. Oh, you need to plug that in.
Yeah, this one's gonna be a little tough because it's different. Because it's outdoor.
So it's long.
Well, it's long, right?
So these are easy to connect. Okay. Wait, can you do this, please?
Oh, I didn't notice.
There's a
It's actually
thing.
good right now, though. So look.
This is like difficult because I think this is the first year they did outdoor rated ones. So, I was gonna say, where's the instructions? It just tells us what to do. So pull that up. Yeah. We're gonna pull this up around the hip. Guys, if you didn't watch the Two-Faced Teddy video and the got stuck on the okay, I got it. Guys, if you didn't watch the Two-Faced Teddy video, make sure to look. We might have a Two-Faced Teddy video. I forgot, and we also have a monkey business video. So, yeah, stick around because I really want you. This one I did with my friend, and there's also like a very interesting build. So make sure to go check out that. Hopefully it pops up after this video, but so guys, my dad is putting on the clothes right now because I cannot put on the short. I'm too tiny, so I'm gonna go see what you guys are seeing right now. Wow, you guys see monkey business and who is that? Who is that? Okay, monkey business and yeah, monkey business and Two-Faced Teddy.
What does it say to do next?
What?
What does it say to do next?
Let me see.
It's usually the, what do you call it?
Yeah, I think it is the arms. Oh wait, it is the other arm. Okay, let's put this on. It's not like Freddy Fazbear. It's not like the different arms matter. So let's just put this on. Okay, put that in.
Hold on, listen. It's, make sure it's, yeah, you gotta push it
Okay.
in.
Okay, we got it. Got it. Okay, can you connect it in the inside, please? Wait, can I do it?
Pull this down.
Okay. Well, I didn't realize how good this guy's looking. He's pretty small too. Wait, never mind. He's not small. So wait. Well, hang on. Let me get my his. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm excited.
Didn't actually work for you?
No, they didn't. Okay. Oh wait, this is hard.
Ready?
Can you hold the arm for me, please? Oh wait, no.
Gotta make sure it's straight. Is it in or not?
Yeah. Oh wait. Okay. Wow, that was actually hard. Okay, so guys, let's see what we need to do next. Yeah, hands. Oh, you can't? Wait, let's see. You can take. Okay, so guys, this is actually, look. This thing right there is so no one can take that off. I think they should do that better. Like I tried to take off that hand. Oh, wait, look. I can't take off that. Like that's hard to take off. So yeah, I think Spirit, if you're watching this, you need to do that to way more animatronics. What? Yeah, a lot of things are new this year, like color wires and like different bases.
Okay, go next.
A lot of parts. Okay, guys. My dad's gonna get a step stool for me because I cannot put this head on by myself. So. Okay, guys. Yep, my dad has a step stool.
Wow, that's a big one. So big. Hold on.
We're gonna put Crackles heads on
Hold
it.
on. I think you can touch the roof because you're 7.
Guys, by the way, you cannot open this face. Literally, it's secured.
How is it secure so far?
I don't know. Just is. Okay.
Yeah, John, you can just...
Got the big boy.
Wow, John, you can definitely touch the roof. You can touch...
Guys, I'm all the way up here. I don't even know if you guys can see me. But, wait, let me get it in. No. Oh my.
Before you do it, look. Here, it's right in the front, John.
I can't. Oh, yeah. Good. Okay. Dad, what do we put here? Look. Dad, what do we put here? Look. All right, the collar. So there's these like wires in here, guys, that you need to twist and connect. I like that. Wait, where is the other red one? Where? Oh, up there. Wow, there's a lot of wires in. Guys, we might actually get Screaming Reaper soon. Howdy. Oh wait, guys, this is hard. Am I even putting it on? Are the white wires already like connected?
Oh yeah, they look like they were.
Blue.
Oh, let's do black first.
Wait, what is that for? Oh wait, Dad, look.
Hold on, John.
They have some. Oh, you need to twist that. Okay, so guys, the wires were a little bit too complicated, so I'm letting my dad do it. Let's see this guy. Oh my god! My dad's gonna fix the hair up soon, but hey guys, come on, dance with me. Hey, let me guys flip you over.
John.
Up. Sorry. Everything is awesome. So my dad's actually gonna put on the skirt because I cannot reach.
It's on the skirt. Collar.
My sister said skirt, so I trusted her. And there's like Velcro around that.
That's cool. I like that.
Yeah.
Because the other ones like fall around too much.
This is probably one of the coolest clowns we ever got.
It's like the whole short book.
Stop barking, Dean. I just think this guy's so cool, guys. Like, I like the blood on his skirt a lot.
Not sure.
It's a collar, okay? It's not a skirt, guys. It's not a skirt. It's not a skirt. It's not a skirt. It's not a skirt. Guys, tell me in the comments if you like Trash Bandit. I don't like him because he looks cheap, but one of the best jump scares ever. I can't lie. Yeah, guys, tell me if this hair is good. Okay, it's not bad, but he kind of looks like a guy that's trying to go to. Guys, let me go see what you guys see again. Oh yeah, you just see my dad.
Yep.
Stop doing the heart. Look, guys, if you didn't know, this is our third time seeing this guy. Well, second time with her and my mom. But we went to the flagship grand opening. So this is my third time seeing this guy. Guys, it's time for the demo, I guess. Cause where is the sensor? Oh, yeah, because they want to make a camouflage. Okay, guys, ready? I'm gonna stand over here because I want to do the. Ready, steady. It's plugged in. Great job. No. I'm scared. What if it never works? Just kidding. Now this is totally new, so Spirit's gonna have a ton more of these. Because this is literally so new. Guys, she definitely didn't break. Because my dad's catching on to something, right? Oh, maybe he did. So guys, we needed to like reattach the wires because it wasn't really working. So, and yeah, we finally got it to work. It's a sick, I think it's one of the coolest animatronics ever. And yeah, I'm about to show you.
I saved the grand finale just for you! Now try not to scream too much!
Now in the dark.
I think I'm going up in the dark.
Something's missing, but the show must go on! I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims!
Yeah, it's fine. So bye guys. Something with his head is kind of wrong. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna call for a new head and then probably make a short and show you guys it. But I still think this is just a very cool animatronic. And like it's just a head, so it doesn't really matter that much. So although the head does all of the animation. But so yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, bye.